So how many gallons you got for your gas tank?
It's a 4.8.
4.8.
Yeah, I know. It's tough.
So how you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm having a blast. My ass hurts, but you know.
Your face is like...
Yeah, I'm concerned.
You got to wear a gaiter. Cover your nose.
I have one.
Huh?
I have one. It's just I didn't put it on.
You want another one?
I got it's a thermal mask. I'm about to put it on right now. Oh, GoPro, stop recording. Look, I got a bug on my GoPro. Smack my GoPro.
Yeah, you're looking a little pink. Look
Yeah.
like your nose is turning multicolored.
It feels like it too. I can feel it. I was gonna spray some more.
All right. I'm gonna go get some gas. Let's hurry up. I'm gonna take a piss and we'll leave. Is this thing recording? I'll tell you what. These GoPros better get better, or else I'm gonna change, because I'm getting really tired of these things breaking down in the middle of an interview and stuff, losing good content. Yes! As Deadpool and I thundered westward, our GoPros might have missed some shots, but they couldn't dim our moto adventure. Me on my Harley Road Glide, and Deadpool on his classical carved Honda, we cut a swath through the south. Skies were a canvas of blue with white clouds dotting the expanse. Fortunately, rain was nowhere in our path. But as night began to fall, the unforgiving Louisiana I-10 highway made every mile known through their potholes, a rugged reminder of the wild journey. Hunger crept up as dramatically as the sunset when we crossed the strikingly lit bridge amidst the industrial vistas of the southern coastal Louisiana. It wasn't long before we found ourselves pulling over at a gas station in Livingston, where the local fried chicken wasn't just a meal, it was our moment to savor. So here we are, refueling not just our bikes, but our bellies. All right, so we're past the halfway mark. We're about 550 miles from Kerrville, Texas, which is like 1,236 miles, more or less, from Jacksonville Beach. So we're gonna leave there at their time, 1:30. It's gonna leave us like 19 or 20 hours to get to, excuse me, just had some delicious gas station chicken.
Gas station chicken.
With some cake. And he's already told me he wants to go to sleep because...
Not right now.
Because, you know, he usually goes to bed at 11, so he's gonna pull over at the Marriott, get himself a room, get a massage before he goes to bed.
No, I'm good for 3 hours.
We're gonna ride through, then we're gonna find a picnic table where you can sleep for 3 hours.
I'm down for that. I got my sleeping bag settled in.
Until the state police comes and throws us out. Hey, no sleeping. Hey, but I'm resting. I'm not sleeping.
You can trespass in public, brother.
Huh?
You can trespass in public once you 2-minute drive. Well, you should know that.
Oh, but go ahead and drive asleep, because that way you'll die. Rather you die riding the motorcycle than stay at a rest stop.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh? That's the way people are, man. People just like that. Anyways,
We'll make it.
my GoPro 9 took a crap.
A little bit.
The 10 is acting up. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. All right, I changed the battery in the camera. I had it charging, but it seems to be working. Hopefully, it might freeze up again. This is the GoPro 9. So we just finished having some crispy chicken. Look at that crispy chicken I had. It was delicious. We just took a serious supplement to stay awake. So let's see what happens. So how you feeling, man?
Feeling alright.
So tell me, so far, just give an update. Give a rider's update.
Blast. It's fantastic, you know. Just
All right, yeah, but why? Be specific. Why is it bad?
just
Why
an
is it
open
fantastic?
road, just traveling,
Is it cold?
whipping through states. No, it started out cold. It's got warmer as the sun's gone down as we've gotten further out. So that's fantastic. Looking forward to Texas. We're almost there.
We're in Livingston, Louisiana. Finished having chicken. Backing the bike out. Head now. All right, we are in Texas. We crossed the border from Louisiana. We're here. He got all these bugs on the inside of his shield because he had his shield up. Pop, 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 pop. Should have saved it for later, man. Could have been snacks. Isn't the government telling us to eat bugs? You get free bugs. You don't want to eat the free bugs. Anyways, so here we are.
Woo. Oh. Yeah, man.
We had some young kid pull up over here, and he's like, if I give you money, I'll give you extra money. Cross the street, get me some THC joints. I'm like, no, don't do that.
That was a guy?
That was a kid. That was a boy. Don't save your money. Save your money. Buy your car. Something about his mother and father got him in a hotel and shit, and I don't know.
Oh my God.
Told him to save his money. He wasn't listening. What was he doing in a gas station, truck stop?
Fucking midnight.
At midnight. Where are your kids tonight?
Go home, kids.
Where are your children? Go knock on the door, see if they're there. Make sure they didn't crawl out the window. Show up at a gas station. Can you buy me some weed? That was me 50 years ago. Will you buy me a six-pack? That was me, man. Back in the day, come on, man. I'll buy you a case if you buy me a six-pack.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it was cool shit. Anyways, so gave you a little stimulant. You're tweaking. You're awake.
Jesus.
It's legal though. It's not an illegal stimulant. Just little no-dose caffeine.
I've had a hard on since 11 o'clock.
What?
And I ain't calling the doctor.
What? I'm watching too many commercials. Anyways, we're excited, man. We've got maybe 320, 315 miles before we get to where we're going. What time is it?
A little past midnight.
Is that Texas time?
Yes.
All right, that's Texas time. Let's see what time it is in the east coast of Florida. Oh, it's 1:30. And here it is. We got 320 miles. 4 hours and 47 minutes.
Not gonna lie. I don't want to set my hammock up in between a couple of them trees right there.
So, I made the executive decision to pull over, get 1 hour's sleep. You wanted to keep going? He's an Iron Man over here. So I'm using my Insta360 to record this because my GoPro, I don't know. I gotta figure out how to work the aperture. I'm a better attorney than I am a photographer or camera guy, but I do pretty good. You know, I'm not gonna pay some kid $2,500 per video to edit. What am I, Morgan & Morgan? Nope. Anyways, I have fun making the videos, sharing them with my friends, and just here smoking a cigar. Where are we?
Almost 130-something miles from San Antonio.
Yeah, our tanks are still not full. Probably between full and 3/4. Had some rain showers come on us. Another thing I noticed at the gas station, I didn't record it, but I checked the oil on my bike and I was really low. Didn't even measure oil on the dipstick. Of course, the gas stations discriminate against us bikers, so they didn't have the oil. So I just threw in straight 40 weight. That's bad. Well, what's worse, straight 40 weight or no oil? Anyways, it mixed in there. The 40 weight mixed in with the 50 because when I put in 2 quarts, it went above. So I had a little bit over 3 quarts of oil. What do you guys think about? You're in a fix. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. You're in a town. You don't know where to get bike oil, you know? They got signs, those big road signs. We got to record one of those road signs. It says, Eclipse, come early. And then it flips. The Eclipse, stay late. I guess they want those dollars, those Eclipse dollars to help the economy.
I don't blame them. We're capitalists. It's awesome. I'm spending money, not on hotel actually. I'm in the Hey Hotel. That's it. Fucking Texas got these grates. I'm gonna look like a brick wall. My back when I wake up, my back's gonna look like a brick wall. Oh shit! Something from the ceiling fell on my face. What the hell's up there? Is that a bug? Alright, no ant. Termites and shit. Anyways, buenas noches. I'm going to catch me this.
Well, I'm here at a rest stop. All these people are here. So they got all the expensive cameras here. And my pants are falling down. I'm losing weight. Need to get me those suspenders. So I set up my cot. I gotta go to sleep. I only slept 2 hours last night and I'm beat tired. And we still have 1,200 more miles to go. So I got my bed ready to go. People bringing their dogs, their children. I still think that's a cult over there. Could be church folks. Who knows? Anyways, I'm going to bed. I'm just too tired.